Hey, what's going on guys? Jason here. Hey, I was just going through some old footage on the computer and I found some content from 4 years ago when I first got the bike. I made the video initially on an older channel, but it was just nothing but GoPro footage. Quite honestly, I was a little embarrassed to put out some of the talking that was going on because it was a lot of my friend Dave. And a big shout out to Dave for helping me the first time on the dirt. But hey, we all got to start somewhere. So I re-edited it, put a bunch of stuff in there. I think there might be some good information for those just looking to get on the dirt. Dave kind of walks me through a lot of the mistakes I was making. So take a look, tell me what you think. Like I said, this was 4 years ago, right after I got the bike. I was pretty nervous, but I had a blast, so enjoy.
You know what, this has got to be one of the prettiest rides I've done and out in the wind, man.
That's because I'm here.
It is, it is. Looking at Larry's, it's just...
I gotta go now. Hey Cheryl, look at the trees, they're changing colors. Let's go.
This is good stuff, man. Yeah. I hate to hold you up. Are you good back there? No, it's fun, man. You're right, though. It is more challenging. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
When you hit those berms, go to the outside. Accelerate and go up on the bank.
Oh, on the outside?
To the inside, because then the slope's like this and you're trying to turn like that. What happens is you'll find that there's kind of a weaving.
Yeah.
And you'll kind of weave back and forth across the road, and you always kind of go to the high side.
Okay.
That'll pull you back down in.
My fear was a little bit oncoming traffic, but alright.
You know what? No, just...
Pretty good riding, huh? So what happens is when you turn the bike back on, it wants to do a ABS test. It doesn't seem to always want to cancel it, you know, so I turn it on, it'll sit here and blink. And that's why sometimes I'm like putting around.
Right.
Just because I'm like, alright, so hold this and it should stay. No, see, it wants to.
It keeps trying to reset the ABS.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Like I said, brother, practice that. When you come into a corner, just lean it over more than you have to. You can straighten it up and go straight.
Yeah.
And you'll see that once you start in the corners, it's like, you can do that. Now you can accelerate through the corner if you want. You know, you got lots more where if you're leaning and it slips a little bit, you're out of balance.
Yeah.
If you're on top of it, it slips a little bit, it's just fun. So. Huh?
That guy had a pop tire? No. He did, yeah. The rear? Yeah. That's why he's riding that way. I saw that.
Either I'm getting that much better or they're going slower.
Jason, you feel it being slippery? You feel it when trying to slide around?
Every once in a while, depending on the terrain.
Just the fact that when you go to put your leg out, you totally change your balance.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to shift my weight on purpose.
Yeah. Because you know, if you know, rather than stick your legs out to catch yourself,
yeah,
you know, maybe stand up on the peg and then shift the bike with your feet.
That way, stand up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Suspension, is it fairly easy to adjust, Jason?
Yeah, really easy.
When you're in the dirt, you'll find that you'll like it a little stiffer because you're hitting bumps harder and all that stuff. I've heard it said, I don't know much about it.
More stiff, huh?
That try it sometime.
Do I seem soft?
Get a little stiffer, gives you a little more control. That's what I've heard.
All right, I'm stiffer.
Try it, see what you think.
I don't know, Alright, so that was day 1 of Stonyford. Hit that subscribe button. I've got a day 2 coming. I'm gonna re-edit and get out there. We'll see you guys later.